The Inventory Valuation Summary Report is a powerful tool inside QuickBooks Online. Think of it as a snapshot of your inventory's financial health. It tells you exactly what you have in stock and what it is worth. This report is simple and clear. It lists each inventory item one by one. For every item it shows quantity on hand. It also calculates average cost per unit. Then it multiplies those two numbers to give a total asset value per product. This is not a guess. It's a calculation based on your QuickBooks data. Useful for students learning accounting. Essential for new business owners. Getting to the Inventory Valuation Summary Report is a straightforward process that takes less than a minute. First, you will log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand navigation menu, you will click on the Reports section. This will take you to the main Report Center, which contains dozens of different reporting options. To find the specific report you need, simply use the search bar at the top of the page. Type Inventory Valuation Summary into the box. As you type, the report name will appear in a list below. Just click on it to open it. The report will generate automatically, usually defaulting to today's date. Once you have opened the report, you will see a clean and organized layout. Each of your inventory items is listed in its own row in the first column. The subsequent columns provide the essential details for each item: quantity on hand, average cost, asset value. An optional column you can add is the sales price, showing what you charge customers for the item. QuickBooks Online allows you to customize the report to fit your specific needs. The most common customization is changing the date. Today, the end of last month, any specific date in the past. You can also use filters to narrow down the results. One specific item, a particular group of items. You can also add or remove columns to tailor the view to your audience, yourself, your accountant, a potential lender. Further customization options allow for even deeper analysis. Change how the information is grouped, such as by product category. Sort the data by any column. Sort by asset value, descending to see the largest investments. Once you have the report looking exactly how you want it, you have the option to export it. One of the most immediate use cases for this report is better stock management. By regularly reviewing the quantities on hand, you can quickly identify your fast-moving products. By regularly reviewing the quantities on hand, you can quickly identify your slow-moving products. Seeing an item with a consistently low quantity on hand tells you it is popular and that you might need to increase your reorder point to avoid stockouts. Conversely, an item with a high and stagnant quantity is tying up your cash. This data empowers you to make strategic decisions, such as running a sale on the overstocked item or discontinuing it altogether. You can stop guessing what your customers love and start using concrete data to optimize what you keep on your shelves. For financial reporting, the Inventory Valuation Summary is indispensable. Inventory Valuation Summary feeding the balance sheet and the income statement. Your inventory is a significant asset on your balance sheet. This report provides the exact figure you need for the inventory asset line item. Manually calculating this value can be time-consuming and prone to errors, but QuickBooks does the heavy lifting for you. Providing accurate data-backed financial statements is crucial for securing loans, attracting investors, or simply having a true picture of your company's financial position. This report ensures that your inventory value is not a weak link in your financial reporting chain, but a point of accuracy and confidence. Finally, the data within this report can be a powerful tool in vendor negotiations. While the Inventory Valuation Summary Report is incredibly powerful, it is important to recognize its limitations. The report's accuracy is entirely dependent on the accuracy of the data entered into QuickBooks. It operates on a garbage-in, garbage-out principle. If purchase orders are not entered correctly or if sales are not recorded properly, the report will reflect these errors. It cannot account for things happening in the physical world unless you tell it about them. For example, the report will not automatically know about damaged stock, stolen stock, obsolete stock, unless you manually perform an inventory adjustment in the system. Another limitation is its lack of advanced visual representation. It does not include charts or graphs natively within the report itself. To visualize the data, export to Excel and create charts. The report is only as real-time as your bookkeeping. If you only enter transactions once a week, the report is only truly accurate on the day you complete data entry. Learning to interpret the results of the Inventory Valuation Summary is where the data becomes truly actionable. As you review the report, keep an eye out for red flags. One common issue to look for is negative stock balances, which points to a data entry error that needs immediate correction. Also, Watch for items with unusually high or low average costs compared to similar products, as this could indicate a mistake in a bill or purchase order entry. The report is also a fantastic tool for identifying slow-moving or potentially obsolete inventory. If you run the report monthly and see an item whose quantity on hand never changes, it is a clear sign that the product is not selling. In summary, the Inventory Valuation Summary Report is an essential, easy-to-use tool for any student or business owner using QuickBooks Online. Try the report now in QuickBooks Online. Run it for the end of last month. Find your 2 highest value items and see if their quantities feel right. Based on what you see, adjust one reorder level today. Thank you for your attention. Any questions? And if this helped, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more QuickBooks tutorials.